All right, good morning. How's everybody doing? I'm about to just get on this. About to do some trading today. Trade NASDAQ futures on Top Step funded accounts. And evaluations if the price action doesn't look good. We may do some evals, try to pass some evals. But as of now, we're gonna start charting. Okay, we got 10 minutes. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. First of all, I'm gonna erase everything on the thing. Erase every drawing we have from last week. I'm gonna start charting right here. This is my chart. This is where I'm gonna do it at, right here. Okay, 1 second. Let me see. Boom. All right. This is how we're gonna do it. Start the daily chart right here. I'm gonna start the daily chart. Okay, this is where I'm gonna be at. Okay. Look at the daily chart. See what's going on here. Okay. So right in the middle of the previous day's high and low. Friday's high and low. So this is previous day high, which we may take out. Just drawing liquidities. Previous day low, right there. I'm also gonna mark this right here, all-time high, so I can have that. And mark this as liquidity, just in case. So we have that. So that's what we need. Just some kind of. That's what we're doing on the daily chart, seeing what's up. We see it coming off of here, and it's going up. We still got this gap here. Who knows when we're gonna take it out? I mean, we're also going to mark the daily candle opening. Okay, daily candle open. So that's where we open on the daily candle. That's where the candle open, went down a little bit, and it's shooting up. Okay. Now we'll go to the 4 hour. See what we got here. Okay. Not much to see here, to be honest with you. We'll probably make this fair value gap right here. This will be a change state delivery on the 4 hour right here. Let's see. Right there, just to let us know. Boom. If we go past that, because we were going down, and then now we're going up. If we pass that, then we're looking up. I mean, because we're not gonna be going down anymore like this. Because once we pass that, now we're going up. So it's a change of state of delivery, market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. That's what that'd be if we do that. So I want to have that there just so we can see that 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour real quick. I'm marking out the fair value gaps now. Got one there. One there. One there. We'll mark that out just because we're here. It's a little small, but we're about to invert it anyways. Yeah. And we got one over here too. I'm gonna leave it like this just so I can pull it and see where we're at. I just don't want to have too much stuff over here. I'm gonna leave it just like somewhere right here so we can see. Okay, that's what we got now. So we're looking up. We're looking higher, especially if we invert this. We're looking at least for this. These kind of equal highs right here. Taking those out. See what happens here. That's what we're looking at. So that's 1 hour. Bust out the fib. Let's see what we got here. OTE measurement on this range here. We got that. Take that. We're gonna leave that there. That's good. We'll probably just leave that just like that. Just see what happens here. But we already rejected from the 0.705 before. So now we're just gonna see. It looks like we're gonna grind up to the tree. I'll probably just delete this OTE thing because we already did it. We already came over here, went down, came up into the OTE, and we're dropped. And failed to take out the lows. Okay. 15-minute now. $15, like one of my highest, my favorite time frames, because it holds them so well. We see rejections off of them a lot. That's what I've seen. So it don't matter if they're small or big, I've seen it hold it like crazy. See, I held it there, boom, came down. I think I took that trade. Yeah, I took that trade. I was waiting for it, but I ended up taking it. You don't see it on my last time I was here, on my when I was there, but I took it last time. I took it Friday. Made about, I think it was like, I don't know, like 400, 500, 600 or something like that. Something like that. I'll look later, but yeah, I took this short when it finally inverted a 5-minute, I remember. And I took it and then dropped it. So that was good. This wick right here was kind of weird, but I got out before that. I got out like right here somewhere. I remember that. So I took that Friday, but I was waiting for that. So anyways, we're gonna see what happens here. Wait for this thing and it took a long time for us to wait for a setup. That was like around 11 something. So we were waiting just like an hour and a half. And wasn't nothing there until there was, and then that's when we took it. So we got some fair value gaps here. That's good there. That's good there. So we got those two that we may come back and bounce off of. That'd be a good little entry there. Even if we want to come down here, we'll see what happens. But either way, longs look pretty decent. Okay, we got 2 more minutes. Trying to finish this up real quick. Right here, midnight open right there. Midnight open. Midnight open. And then we got it's looking good to go to the upside. Anyways, we got some London low, London high. And I'll check the news in a minute. So we still got London low down here. I'll just mark that out. London low. It's finally getting cold over here in Texas. At least cold to us. It's like 50 degrees this morning. Freezing my butt off. But that's just how it is, man. We're used to that heat. We're used to like 90, 100. So when it drops like that, kind of surprising and all that. But I like the cold, so it feels good. Season's changing. It's cool. We got 1 minute. Okay, so we got midnight open, opening price, London low, previous day low and high. We could look at the settlement. real quick. See this? We got a gap. This is where we closed Friday, right here. So we're just gonna look at that. Keep an eye on that. Okay. Got all them equal highs here. So that's a good liquidity there. All this right here. Got equal highs right there. So market's opening now. Okay. So now I'm gonna close this, not close, I'm gonna leave it there, just like that. Have 15-minute up, so I can see it. Okay, so we have 15-minute up. The 1 hour is here chilling. Make sure we keep an eye on that. 15 looks good. Okay. 5 minute, do some mark some fair value gaps on that, close by. 5 minute there. Come down here. 5 minute there. So let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom. Okay. Okay. So now let's look at the 5 minute. We got that. This right here is a 1 minute. Just post that up right there. Okay. This 15-minute is ES right here. Okay, so I don't go in depth on ES too much with the fair value gaps and everything, but I look at it and I want to mark them still, just in case, because I want them to kind of do the same thing. I'm looking for liquidity to get taken out, because a lot of times we take it out on ES, we might not take it out on NQ. And if we don't take it out on NQ and you don't know we took it out on ES, it'll start reversing, and you'll be wondering why the heck is it reversing. It's because we already took it out on ES. So we're just kind of, or we tapped into something on ES. So we're just looking to see what it's doing. ES looks good right here. It's lined up with this breaker right here, this fair value gap here. And we are looking for a higher, but I want to see it on NQ. This will just help me if NQ is doing the same thing. It's not, so we'll see what happens. If one's going up, one's going down. Usually they're in sync. So just want to see what happens here. But I'm looking for the upside. Makes the most sense to me right now. Took us an hour and a half to take a trade Friday, and took like an hour and a half or something, but waiting for an hour and a half. You mean just waiting, watching until something shows up, and it showed up, and it showed up after I was done with the stream, but like right after it. Let me see if I can find it. I'll show you where it was. It was when the 5 minute got inverted, and I took it. Okay, so this is it right here. So the stream ended somewhere around here. I ended the stream somewhere around here. But I told you before I left that I was looking for the downside. I was looking for the short at that time. Because we were in a 15 minute, we were hitting this, or all of this right here. We still had liquidity down there, way down there. But right when it inverted, I got in some. Right here, it inverted, closed, I got in some. It came back up, which is a 1 minute. I remember doing some stuff on the 1 minute. And got in some more, got in the rest of it. Went down, and I got stopped out. That was it, I was done. I got out of all of it right there. It came back up, but I was already done at that time. I was already done. And it kept going down. So it was patient right here, and it freaking dropped. And it was good coming off a 5 minute, 15 minute looked good at that time too. Let me see, yeah, because we're in a 15 minute right here. Boom, we're coming down, expecting it to take out some liquidity down there. And we were bearish. It was a Friday too, which is, you're usually pretty bearish on Fridays. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we made another 15 down here. Boom. Okay. And again, I'm gonna be super patient. I want to see a long setup, so I want to see it to come down here. Be awesome if it came down into this one, because it's lined up with this. Even if it come down to this one, and came down a little bit, and then we shot up. But we need to see a lower time frame flip down there, because once we come down here, we'll come down into this one too. This 5 minute right here. So that's what I'm looking for right now. For it to come down and look for a setup to go up, maybe inversion to go up, something to go up. But I'm looking for up right now. That's what I'm looking for. Because just looks good for upside for me. So it can go down right now. Just like pulling back a bow, just getting ready to go. It's going down just so it can go up. That's what I'm feeling. I want to see it on the 5 minute look good. I want to see it on the 15 minute look good. I don't want to get in it just because it's doing something for an inversion. You want to wait for it to be clear on this 5 minute or the 15 minute. Not just the 1 minute. We see this go down, all that. That's cool and all. But I want to see it on the 5 or 15 first, not just on the 1 minute. You'll take a lot of losing trades if we're just looking at this a lot. Look at this 5 minute. Look at the 15 minute. Take a setup off of that. Make sure it makes sense off that. Right now we're tapping into a 5 minute. It doesn't make sense to go short yet. It does not make sense until this gets passed up or that gets passed up, and then maybe we can go short, I guess. But I really don't want to go short. I'm really looking for the upside. And once this maybe 15 minutes shows me it wants to go down now, then I could choose if I want to go down or not. Right now I don't want to. I want it to come down here to this order block, this little chunk right here. All this. I want to see it come down there. We're coming back into this inversion as well. This fair value gap. Pass it up. And we're coming back down to it. Into this BPR. Another BPR here, which is a fair value gap and a inversion. This big inversion with this fair value gap. We'll come back into that. That's where I'm looking for a long. Shorts, I'm not looking for that. trading isn't about how much you make, it's about did you stick to your rules. Once you understand that, it'll help a lot. It'll help a lot. So I just wanted to make sense on the 5 and 15 or the 1 hour. Bouncing off the 1 hour, it's a big wick on that one. So we still got that liquidity down there. It could come down there, but for me to be in line with what I want to be in line with, we didn't change the state of delivery right here either, so we're still kind of going lower still on the higher time frame here. So could be something there to think about, because a 1 hour, we're still bouncing off this right here and this one. So, but we're still bouncing off of it. But do I want to take it? No, not yet. 5 and 15 are my go-tos. I want to see something get past that. Let us know we might want to go down lower, and to see that if there's a target there for us first, and is it far away enough for us to take it. We done passed both these 5 minutes up. Showing some pretty good bearishness right now. Bearishness. But we just hit this order block, which is letting me know that we might want to go up now. Hit this 1 hour on ES. Okay, we're in this order block here with this fair value gap. At this, if we go past this, then I'd probably be looking for shorts. If we go past this 15 right here, if we hold it, we may be looking for longs. We'll see. We got a minute left. See what happens. We done close past 5 minutes. We'll see. We don't close past 2:15s. Let's see if this holds this kind of unicorn thing with the order block and the fair value gap in the middle of it. We'll see if that holds. but it's good to go into the day with a bias and hold it until the higher time frame lets you know that that's not right. So if it's not right, I want the 5 minute, 15 minute to tell me, not the 1 minute. The 1 hour kind of shows it. Got a good rejection of this fair value gap, but I'd like for the 15 and 5 to make sense too. Right now we're about to close past all this. We're here holding this. We'll see if this still holds or not. I want to see that, because it could be a bounce area right here with this. It could be. Could be. And we done inverted the 15 is big 15. Now we're coming back into it. We're about in the middle of it, and that's lined up right there in the middle of it. Can see what happens here. Let's do a little Fibonacci from here, this swing low to this swing high, and see where we are in relation to all that. So this is 50%. I just want to see 50% anyways of this range, because we go up and come back, we come down to 50%, but there's a aspect to it where we might just come down to the fair value gap or the area of interest, PD array, in the 50%. So this is the one here. This is the one here. So let's see how this holds up right now. See what happens here. Want to see how this 15-minute holds up here? If it wants to hold or not. Let's see what's up. Still holding the 15, just barely. Just kind of seeing if we go past it, but this will be a CISD right here. If we go past this level, we're really gonna be looking for shorts, but then I'd want to retrace up and then low time flip. We're dumping pretty good now. Want to see if we hold this 15 or not? That'll let us know a lot. See if we can hold this change state delivery right here. That'll tell us a lot as well. And really, it's down here. We can mark out just to be safe. See if we can go past this here, right there. This line here. Big old line right there. See if we can go past this line and close past it. Then at that point, I'll be looking for a retracement back into here. Hopefully, make a fair value gap and then go down more, I guess. If we see that, but let's see. We're in a 1 hour right now too. We just tapped a 1 hour for value gap, so, and that's the same kind of thing going on here. So, or not the same thing, but we're in a rejection area where it could happen right now. A reversal could happen. We'll see. Almost tapped into the 15 too. Right there. So it could be a reversal now. Because we got 6 minutes. We might hold this 15 right here. We might hold it. Could be it. Could be the reversal right now. I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if we reverse right now and start going up. I would not be surprised. Would not be surprised. May hold that. Got close to the 15. We didn't quite hit it. That's why I really don't want to take it. Because it's not super high probability, but the 1 hour, if you look at that, this looks like we just came over here, tapped that thing. But we still got a long wick over here. But we did just come tap it. And we almost tapped the 15 here. Yes. We're coming like, we're starting to go past this. So we'll see if that holds as well. We got 1 hour on this one. 15 is not showing much. So we'll just leave it on the 1 hour right there. See if we go past that or not. Because that'll show us if we're bearish as well. I feel like we might reverse. We'll see. I'm not gonna take it though. For sure. 1 second, I'll be back, but yeah. Not yet. All right. Let's see what's up. We're holding this little area now, but looks like we're about to invert this 15, which is gonna be significant if we do that. It's gonna be a pretty big deal if we do that. So. We're holding this area, which is the 1 hour, because it's kind of holding. But you could say we're holding there too. You know what I mean? So, and that's just the 1 hour right now. We're also about to pass this 1 hour on ES. So everything's looking short right now. Everything's looking short right now. So if we get past this black line, even shorter. We're looking even shorter. And any move up would be just a retracement into this area here, from here to there. This breaker, this fair value gap inversion to tap into, just to keep going down more. We passed it up for sure. Hold on, let's see. We changed the delivery on this part and this part. Not this part, but we did do those two. We took out that one and this one. And we closed past it pretty decently too. So, short's looking okay, but the 1 hour is bouncing. But we got the huge wick. So short still could play out. You mean? Could bounce like that wick and that rejection is more makes more sense than just, oh yeah, I'm gonna hope it bounces. It's like the bounce may happen, may not happen. But when we invert some stuff, it already happened. That's like better confirmation than like we may come bounce here. It's like when we invert that, it's letting us know it's looking short. There's no entry either way. Either way, there's no entry. So I wait for a retracement into this. If we make this fair value gap, which is we got 15 minutes at least for this candle to stop and make it, and then come back. But that's why I'm being patient about that. You mean I'll sit here all day and not take a trade? I ain't worried about it. That's discipline. Gotta have that discipline. It took me a while to get it. Usually I'd be freaking pressing buttons by now, but I try not to do that anymore. I'm not trying to. I don't do that no more. So. So for me to take any trade, I need to see it come up into this area. But I want to see it make this fair value gap first. But that'd be, and then see a low time frame flip, not just kind of chase it right now. I don't want to chase it because it could still retrace. Yeah, I need like a higher time frame. A higher time frame retracement, not a low time frame retracement into these. That's not as probable as a higher time frame retracement and then a market structure shift or inversion on the 1 minute into that higher time frame. So right now, waiting for that to happen. Otherwise, no trades for me. Still rejecting off this big order block here. Had a big expansion right now. So see what happens now, but the longs aren't as appealing to me as they were at the beginning. Cause we went down pretty dang far already. So we'll look on the 4 hours here if something changed or see what's going on in there. So we did just hit we're in the 4 hour. Okay, so we could be looking for a reversal. 1 hour we are bouncing. Okay, so that's something too. 15 minute, we're on a 50, we're at a 15 minute. I mean, so I'm gonna need a little bit more than that. 1 hour is a little high of a time frame. That's not right. Right there. Right there. Just because that we like to see the I like to see the 15 5 minute after the 1 hour. So right now it's a 1 hour showing the bounce, but I don't see nothing on the 5 or 15 as much. Doesn't mean it can't, just I don't see it as much. Visibility, let's do the 15 only. Like that. Put this one there, because we're looking for that. See what it wants to do here. Do it on the 1 minute. It could bounce. I mean, it could bounce. I want to see something on the 5 or 15 minute. 1 hour looks good, yeah. Just man, it just a little bit seems like gambling a little bit more than normal. It's gambling already. It just looks a little bit more than normal trying to do this right here, right now. That's what it looks like, a little bit more than normal. And I just want to look a little bit better. That's all. A little bit better than what it's looking like now. But I wish I could see a little bit more. Okay, let's see if this 5 minute gets inverted here. Let's see what's up. Okay, we came to this 5 minute, came to the 10-day delivery area ish, and maybe we'll see a continuation. Possible. Hit a 5. Yeah. Looking for short right now. Maybe if we invert this, it's a good possibility here. We'll see. Yeah. This is looks pretty good right here for a short right now. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, let's get in there. See if we can get this thing to run a little bit. Want to pass this up pretty good. Yep, so we're looking like this right now, pretty much. That's what we got going on right now. I want to see if we can get down here. Awesome, if we pass that up, there it goes. That's good. Now we're looking good. Now we're looking real good. Okay, let's see.
Order filled.
Got one out there. Break even. See if we get this last one. We're at midnight open.
Order
We're
filled.
gonna get one out, more out, because we're at midnight open. And we just hit a 1 hour too. So we get this little bit here.
Order filled.
Now we're gonna take that off right there. That's it right there. So we took it off right there. We're good. It's midnight open first of all, and we're tapping into a 1 hour. So we're gonna take it off right there. That was it. That's the trade for the day right there. So 1 to 1.5, and get out where it makes sense. It might not be 1 to 2. At least it's not 1 to 1. I'm happy with that. It's a lot better. It makes a lot of sense for me because I was looking for higher anyways. And just when we do a retracement like that and we've been going down and we're coming off a 5 minute, it makes a lot of sense to go take it down. So green for the day, good trade for the day. I think that's it for the day. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm gonna look later. What everybody should do as it is, just look later and to see what happened during the day. See if there's another trade you could have took, or see what you could have done, or see where you would have got stopped out or whatever. See where your model worked out. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thanks. See y'all next time. God bless.